Today we're diving into the world of molten silver, bringing a fierce Viking warrior to life on an art bar. Stick around as I pour, shape and transform raw silver into a powerful portrait that honours the spirit of a Viking warrior. You won't want to miss the final reveal. Welcome back to Silverpunk. Now, as you can see, today's a Viking pour. Well, actually it's a Viking lady, isn't it? A Viking lady warrior. Now, there is a special name and I can't, for the life of me, I can't remember. It's so funny. I was having a conversation with a young lady the other day and she told me what they were called. Lady Viking warriors had a special name and I can't remember it, which is a bit of a shame. And that got me round to thinking how things in life just seem to fall into place from time to time. I think we all at some stages in our life just kind of stumble around in the dark, not knowing what direction to go. But if you just keep going, keep stepping forward, you'll find the stairs or the handrail and stuff just seems to fall in place. You can call it fate, coincidence, law of attraction, God, whatever you want to believe or whatever you think. But somewhere down the line, something does click and fall into place if you just keep going and you find something good at the end of it. And it's sometimes it's just out the blue. You can just bump into people. You can just meet someone, or you can, stumble across a YouTube video, a book. The inspiration could be anything. And for me, about 6 months ago, it was when Stacker Social started. Now, Stacker Social is just a Discord group, and it's basically all what that is. It's a chat room, and it's just full of really cool people who are into stacking silver, stacking gold, investments, Bitcoin, all different things. Some of it's way beyond me. I don't understand some of it, but the wealth of knowledge in there is brilliant. And it was just, I just stumbled on it. It was like, oh yeah, we'll give this a go and have a look. And I've met some wonderful people in there. And the reason I'm telling you this, one of the chaps I've met in there, I'm not going to say his name, but he'll know who he is. He loves Vikings. Anything I pour of a Viking, he's like, oh, I've got to have it. And I've done 3 or 4 custom pours for him. And it's just fate, like me doing Vikings, meeting him, and it just seems like everything's interconnected, and I don't know how we got there, but it just happens. And another bit of, again, I'm going to say fate or coincidence, I don't know. I was scrolling through YouTube and I come across a channel, a YouTuber called Alexa Saratona. I hope I got a second name right. And she's kind of a YouTube mentor coach. And for some reason her video just stuck out to me. I clicked it, listened to it, and I was like, right, I've got to watch all her stuff now. And I've actually been talking to her and she's been helping me with my channel. And again, what a quirk of fate that is, how just coming across her at this time now when I felt like my YouTube channel was stalling. I was doing okay, but I just needed an extra push. I just needed an extra hand. And I think as a saying, again, I'm not exactly sure who said it, but as a saying, something like, when the student is ready, the teacher will show up, or the teacher will show themselves, or something along those lines. And just, yeah, a quirk of fate, scrolling through YouTube, I just seen this video, clicked on it, and it resonated with me. And the thing that's, again, weird, we've got a Viking connection. She actually lives in Finland, and her nickname for her husband's the Viking. So it just seems everything's interconnected. It's just, yeah. And I think what I'm trying to say is, if you're going through, if you don't know where you are, or you're trying to look for the answer, just relax, just go with the flow. I know it's really difficult because we've all been there, and I know it is really, really difficult when you're going through it, but just keep going and something will turn up. You will find the handrail, you will find the right path, and all you got to do is just keep going a step at a time. All you got to do is keep going. And what I've also come to, I'm struggling with how to put this into words. What I've also conclusion that I've come to as well, everybody in the world is just one decision away from a totally different life. I'm just going to say that again. Everybody in the world is just one decision away from a totally different life. I'll bring it back to me because that's what I've got experience with. I made a decision just over a year ago to try and make silver pouring and YouTube my life, my main source of income. That was a big decision. That's changed my life massively. It's totally different how I live, how I work, the dynamics in the house. But yeah, but it could be anything. It could be, I don't know, it could be your love life, it could be work, it could be health, it could be, I don't know, your decision is, I'm going to start going to the gym because I need to lose £100. I'm going to get a new job because I hate what I'm doing. I'm going to leave my wife or husband because I've had enough. Or, you know, it could be anything. It could literally be anything. But everybody is just one decision away. That's all it takes, just one decision. So if you are, you know, trying to work through stuff and push through, just remember something will turn up. And if, you know, you're really having trouble, just one decision can change everything. And just, you know, just keep going, because you don't know what's going to go. I'm just so excited for the future, and we don't know what's going to happen. And of course, who would want to know what was going to happen? I mean, you wouldn't watch a film if you knew the ending. You wouldn't read the book if you knew what was going to happen. And that's what's wonderful with life, you just don't know. So I just think, yeah, fate, coincidence, or something else, I don't know. Bit of a ramble, but I just thought worth saying, just one decision from a totally different life. So, oh, look at that Quench, look at the warrior. Still can't remember what she's called. I'm going to have to find out. If you've enjoyed this silver pour, check this little bar out up here. It's an absolute stunning pour.